Hi, this is Engineer Kadembo. Welcome to this course called PLC and Automation Training Course, in which you're going to explore the concepts of automation. You're going to explore the concepts of PLCs, how PLCs are interconnected together to form automation infrastructure. We're going to look at the basics of programming a PLC to advanced programming of HMIs. Then you're going to look at how SCADA system connects HMI and the PLC infrastructure together. Then we move on to explore the network protocols of the PLCs. So these network protocols will look at Profibus, and then we'll look at the success of the Profibus called the Profinet. And then from there, we'll look at how a PLC would connect to field devices such as variable frequency drives, variable speed drives, the temperature controllers, and how all these things are going to interconnect together. So we'll explore this in details in a very practical sense as we try to bring you to speed to industry practices.